Hi, after that last video I've been asked to check the version of the software in the car. So I'll try to do that now and show you how to access the secret passage. I just have to dig out the car or at least swipe it. Yeah. Okay, begin with starting the car just as normal. Yeah, like that. And I noticed that if if the audio was on Bluetooth, this didn't work. So it has to be on FM or anything else. I don't know, but I put it in the FM mode. It worked. So to get into this special hidden diagnostic place, and I press map 3 times, and then power 2 times, and map again. And then I get this, the self-diagnostic. And the second one here, I know that we have version information here. Yeah, don't mess with this stuff in these menus, because I don't know what's gonna happen then. And here you can see my first page there, and compare it to this car from July or June 2018. He got it July, but it's probably made in June. And next page. Yeah, so there are some differences, as you can see. Well, that's it. And yeah, the production date of this car is November 2018. And yeah, that's all. Merry Christmas to you all. Bye bye. So now you need to click this one, or is it there? Yeah, click it. Subscribe.